Well, the US is continuing to crack down on crypto using Elizabeth Warren and her remarks on crypto. I'm going to get into that. Plus, I'm going to go over the debt ceiling and what just happened. But first, please like and subscribe. Check us down below for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts, portfolio updates, and much more. Plus, you can follow me on Twitter at Sir Crypto Tips. All right, let's get into this. So first off, the House just passed the debt ceiling bill. The final vote was 314 to 117. Now, obviously, it needs to go through the Senate. And guess what? They're going to pass it. I can guarantee you that they're going to pass it. I know these. It's pretty obvious once you know these people. And yeah, they're going to print so much currency. I know I keep saying that. I know I'm a broken record, but I'm going to keep saying it over and over again. They are never going to stop printing currency. Even though they make a big show about it, it's completely meaningless. You know, my suggestion to people is to focus on the bigger picture, which is Bitcoin and how it only has 21 million. And we know the monetary policy of Bitcoin for the next 20,000 years. Pretty nice, huh? Next, we have Elizabeth Warren. So she says that crypto is funding the fentanyl trade and needs to be shut down. So, wow, she's blaming the drug trade on crypto, whereas most people are using dollars to get their fentanyl probably, and that's what drug lords use as well. So she's just a central bank puppet. That's all you need to know. And they're going to go to the craziest extreme lengths to go ahead and try to bash crypto as much as possible. I mean, do you blame them? You know, and they're using this little puppet called Elizabeth Warren. Next, we have Brian Armstrong, who has warned that the United States restrictive policy towards Bitcoin and cryptocurrency could benefit nations like China. Yeah, because speaking about China, here we go. UAE and Hong Kong partner to strengthen crypto development and regulations. So they're going to come out with more coherent regulations that every company can clearly understand, unlike what Gary Gensler said the day before yesterday when he said, yeah, there's already clear regulations for everybody to see, which is a complete lie. And that's why I said he has told, and he got caught in the biggest lie yesterday. Okay, lastly, we have Ethereum. Good news for this. All right, so Ethereum balance on exchanges are plummeting. All right, so that means the supply is dwindling on exchanges. Only 17.8 million ETH on exchanges now, which is actually a 5-year low. So if you are a part of our CT Club, you would know that Ethereum is our second largest holding. Bitcoin is our first largest holding. But if you do want to see what all these micro caps that we are getting into, well, the link is down below for our CT Club. That's all I have. It's a quick video, but I don't want to waste your time. Talk to you soon. Bye.